What's up, everybody? How are you doing? My name is Dominique, aka Marketing with Dom. You already know. Subscribe to the button. It's the first time you've ever watched my videos. I give the best content out there. Actually, probably by now, if you're watching this, I probably already started OnlyFans, and I'm doing my thing too. But at the same time, I wanted to show people that it was just possible to create. I worked with so many different models. It's been intense. It's been crazy to see people making anywhere from $8,000 to $100,000 a month on this OnlyFans platform. I'm like, this is blowing my mind. And I've learned so much. And today I want to talk about the number one mistake beginners and sometimes people who are already got a following make when they start on their OnlyFans is they think it's about getting really, really big. Oh, I gotta get all these subscribers, more subscribers, the more wins. And in that chase of madness of growth, they don't dig deep enough. Now let me explain something to you. OnlyFans was built for you to have a relationship with the ones you want to create. But somehow there's been this fallacy of just get, and not the creation of the relationship. So the biggest mistake that I see made on OnlyFans, back to back, model from model, is not digging deep enough. They keep trying to go so wide. I want so many people, but that takes a lot of energy and effort to please so many people. And you gotta understand, you are a business. OnlyFans is giving you opportunity to monetize for your content and a relationship with you and the customer personally. I've been doing business for a long time, so if you're taking notes, you probably should write this down. You and your customer relationship is only based off of your ability to scale. So, how are you going to be able to create really deep relationship with massive amount of guys, or girls, or couples, or whoever's watching you? But we already know who's watching, depending on what you're doing. Some people are doing adult content, some people are not. But I teach in both, right? Some people do really adult, so you kind of. But I don't really care. I don't judge. I do marketing. I also want to do it, right? Live your sexuality. It's your life, okay? That's how I think about it. So whatever you want to be mad or haters or talk, I love you guys. You guys just boost up my algorithms like crazy. YouTube, let go. But here's the thing about it is, everybody's grown and able to make their own choice. And if they're able to make their own choice, why should I care what you think about other people making their own choices? But what I'm going to do is provide the best information for those choices to be smooth, transitional, and actually get to the opportunity to change your life some way or another. Or get a couple little $100 here and there on OnlyFans, whatever you're selling, doesn't matter. But it's about the relationship between you and your customer. And that's the one thing I want to tell you is, do not allow this money-hungry thing to take over you and forget you're about the customers. And also, do not take yourself to a place you do not want to be just for the money. Don't do it just for the money. You better think about it, because in reality it can be amazing, it can be a great place, but you have to understand that there's risk involved. Sorry, I gotta pick a booger. Oh God, sorry. So disrespectful. And the risks come down to factors of knowing that it may be seen in the future. It may display you of other job opportunities, but like, honestly, who knows what the world's gonna be like after the coronavirus? And like, I'm like, yo, this is crazy. People are just gonna go back to work. Girls were nurses and doctors, and now they're OnlyFans models, and they're killing it. And they're like, do I even go back to work? For what? To go slave away. But no, here's the honest truth though. Build your relationship deep with people. Do not get caught in this whole, it's a business. They gotta know it's a business. No, it's a business for you. To them, they're a customer just trying to receive what they want, okay? So I want to make sure you subscribe down below. I appreciate you for following this. Make sure you remember the number one mistake you don't do is don't try to go too wide too fast. Dig deep, have conversations, build relationships, make more money that way. It will pay off in the long run, my friend. And then you have enough money to then drive into getting more and growing and scaling and prosperous. Dig deep, my friend. Subscribe to my channel, though, please.